Okay. So we are on assist control, and we want to get our P1 or P2. So to get your P1 or your P2, you would have to get your minute volume, which is 4.34 divided by your frequency, which is 12. And that will give you a tidal volume. After you do that, you want to hit your inspiratory pause located down here. So let's wait. Don't forget that you have a peep of 5. So hit your inspiratory pause. Record 19 and 11, P1, P2. Ignore this because you're going to calculate it. So P1 is 19 and your P2 is 11. To get your inspiratory pause for your AC mode. To get your P1 and your P2, I mean. What else do we need to do? Oh, and don't forget to unfreeze so you can see the other wave. That's all I know. To do your SIMV,
I just know how to do it from the recording.
okay. To get your SIMV, why is it doing it like that? Wow, that's so long.
Andrew.
How do I fix that problem?
Hello? Hello?
I know we have a long exhalation phase, but that's not what I'm worried about. I just want to show everybody how to get the P1 and the P2. So on SIMV, what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing. You're going to get your minute volume divided by your frequency, so 467 divided by 11 to get your tidal volume. You're going to hit the inspiratory pause.
Hello?
You're going to get 20
Hello?
and 13. P1 and P2. We could do it again. Hit inspiratory pause. 20 and 13. And you're going to have your compliance static calculator for you, but ignore that.
How do you physically record something on
To get your parameters,
my little computer?
what you're going to do on SIMV,
Uh-huh.
you need somebody breathing for you, but we don't have we need somebody breathing for us. And Jolene's on the phone. Always get your parameters when it's on an S.
I don't have one? Oh, okay. I just had the recording that you gave me.
So, and go to your clipboard, okay?
Yeah, I think I know.
So you're gonna during your spontaneous, hopefully we get a spontaneous. We're waiting for our spontaneous.
No, she said to do it this far. Further? Yeah, she did.
Spontaneous, get your frequency, minute volume, and your spontaneous minute volume. You get 3 of them, right?
Mm-hmm.
3.
You're in SIMV?
Yeah, SIMV. So we need someone breathing for us. No, that's fine. Go ahead. Sit here. For SIMV, wait for it to be red and it says S. Why is it taking forever? Always look at this. Spontaneous. Frequency, minute, total minute, and your minute spontaneous. What else do we need to get for SIMV? What else do we need?
You just plug it in the box.
And then plug it in the box, and don't forget to get your frequency before that, and your minute volume to get your tidal.
We got the P1,
and don't.
the PP.
And I already
the,
showed them the plateau.
Oh, and then the inspiratory pause.
For the plateau.
Uh-huh. To get the P2, right?
So it's 21 and 13. P1, P2, do the math. Don't forget to this is your mechanical So under your box, your 12 will go there. Oh, we should do that right now. Somebody draw a box. Hold on. Record it, doesn't matter if it goes. Linda, where are those ones that you, never mind. Where are her scratch papers?
Okay.
Okay.
So
Tidal volume,
and this is gonna be
respiratory rate,
respiratory rate, and then
minute volume,
and then the
total,
Spontaneous
then
and mechanical.
and then mechanical.
So what we could do right now, we have our box here. Don't remember your box. So,
You want me to zero on in on it?
yeah, like that. That's like that,
Does-
like that. Okay. So for our mechanical, for our respiratory rate, we want to write 12. Our total, we want to write. That's when we no. That's when we start doing this. That's when we start playing with our lungs, and we have to get our spontaneous. Remember?
Okay. Spontaneous 14.
14. Okay? No, it goes on to total. 14. Because then you're going to subtract it.
14.
And then you subtract, which is 2. Remember? So you always get these 2 and subtract to get 2.
To get the mechanical.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right? Get it?
Yeah, yeah.
The total would be 14. Okay. So now we're going to get our total minute volume, total spontaneous minute volume, and mechanical minute volume.
Okay, so the spontaneous minute volume would be under the clipboard.
So look under the clipboard. Hold on, let me do it. Don't forget to always look at your red up here while you're trying to get all 3 parameters.
So 1.11 for the spontaneous.
Spontaneous is 6.26, and whatever this was.
6.66 and 6.01 and 1.95. 6.01 and then 1.95. And then respiratory rate, total respiratory rate 14 minus mechanical rate, which is spontaneous, that would be 2 right here. And then 6.01 minus 1.95, and you plug that in here, and then spontaneous minute volume divided by spontaneous respiratory rate, you get the tidal volume here. Minute ventilation mechanical divided by respiratory rate, you plug that into the tidal volume.
Okay, what else do we do? Anything else?
And then that's how you calculate your
That's it.
P1 and then P2. And then for the dynamic and static compliance, you make sure you get the dynamic tidal volume divided by P1 minus P of 5. And then for the static compliance, you go tidal, whatever the tidal volume divided by tidal volume. Okay, wait, I'm doing that wrong. Tidal volume divided by P2 minus PEEP. Okay.
Okay, what else do we do? Anything else?
That's it.
Okay, well, I want you to look at this again. Okay, so can you record it up here, Linda? Okay. So, while we're doing spontaneous, breathing, go ahead. Because I want everybody to see it. Like, yeah, there we go. Okay. Don't forget to look S. 13, 16.5, or 16, 7.41, and 1.62 is what you're going to get. Those are your 3 values that you need. Then you need your PEEP, and then you're going to get your inspiratory pause. 22, 22, that's wrong, so we're going to have to redo it again.
Also need your set respiratory rate.
Yes, your set respiratory rate, which is
Total
12.
respiratory rate.
And that's going to be, no, this is your mechanical.
You just need that.
That's your mechanical one. Okay? So once you have all those 3 numbers, which, what did we say it was?
You need 4 numbers. You
4
need
numbers.
the total. Let me see if I can hold it. You need the total. These 2.
Total respiratory rate.
Do it again.
Okay, when it's S for
Okay, do the breathing. Somebody does the breathing.
please.
Okay.
When it's S for spontaneous, then you get these numbers. This, where's the P1?
No, just this to get your parameters. All of these 3 numbers when it's spontaneous number is 19, like 22 is 7.714. Then you get this for your mechanical respiratory rate. And then to get your inspiratory pause, hit the inspiratory pause.
To get your P2.
To get your P1 and P2.
There's
So peak of 21
and P
plateau of 17.
which is
Then
P2.
when you're going to divide it, you're going to do your calculations. So 20 minus PEEP of 5,
That'd be 15.
and then you're going to divide that into your tidal volume, whatever you get. And then your P1, which is 17 minus 5, 13, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you're going to divide it into your tidal volume.
Yes.
And that's how you get your
Dynamic and
static. After your calculations, right?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, this one was 10 minutes.